How do youth assess students' 21st century life and career skills in the learning environment? Learning in the 21st century combines knowledge, thoughts, innovation skills, media literacy, information and communication technology, and real-life experiences in the learning process. Through using two different measurement instruments, the 21st century life and career skills scale and the 21st century skills classroom environment skills scale, the youth can assess the students' 21st century life and career skills as well as the learning environment. With the 21C LCS, it can evaluate students' leadership and accountability as well as their ability to work effectively with others and flexibility. Likewise, in using the 21C CE, students' perceptions of how your classroom environments facilitate the development of 21st century life and career skills can be assessed. How are the results of this study be utilized in enhancing the 21st century life and career skills of students and their learning environment? So as a result of the study, it was concluded that there are changes towards our education society. Nowadays, there is a positive impact on the 21st century life and career skills of the students of their learning environment that resulted to an increase in the required skills that is needed to master it off to achieve career success. The engagement inside the classroom and the public applications of various skills and literacy allows the students to develop their way in middle school and allows them to discover their cognitive and non-cognitive skills and their goals that they want to achieve as a part of the 21st century skills.
Today we are going to discuss the different indicators that is going to be used in managing the teaching and learning process. So for the first indicator, students learn new technological skills to become a lifelong learning. So instead of the usual instruction being done inside the four wall of the classroom, interactive technologies allow for exchange of ideas between teachers and students in various schools in real time. So technology gives access to a wide range of information and does not limit to one person's point of view. For the second indicator, technology is an effective collaborative tool to manage teaching and learning. So technology infuses classrooms with digital learning tools such as computers and handheld devices to support teaching and learning. It also expands course offerings, experiences, builds 21st century skills, increases students' engagement and motivation, and also accelerates learning. So technology has the potential to revolutionize education by bringing in a new type of connected learning.
So the third indicators is using technology enable learners to manage basic tools and application as well as troubleshoot simple technical issues. So technology in education enables children to adjust to their own pace of learning. Students who need extra time can spend more time going over exercises until they understand, while students who need less support can continue ahead. It also frees up the teacher to help kids who need more support on an individual level. Next is technology allows students to apply computer and technology skills to learning and problem solving. So technology provides students with easy to access information, accelerated learning, and fun opportunities to practice what they learn. It also enables students to explore new subjects and deepen their understanding of difficult concepts.
The fifth indicator emphasizes that students should comprehend ethical and legal issues related to technology use. So teachers raise ethical questions before teaching pupils how to handle real-life circumstances ethically. So teachers must deal with students who bring devices to school as well as their varying technological skills. So students must observe the law when utilizing and sharing content. The sixth indicator suggests that technology can help students become more participatory and engaged in learning if teachers incorporate fascinating activities and interactive digital games into the classroom so that students get more involved in the discussions. So meaningful learning is a component of student participation in the learning process. The seventh indicator suggested that teachers are effectively delivering information to students through the use of video tutorials and other materials, and that they are empowering all students to study at their own pace rather than waiting for the teachers to pay attention to them. Beside each indicator, you can tick the boxes at what is your perception on the stated indicator in the classroom or in the school, whether it is in the scale of 4, 3, 2, and 1.
For the eighth standard or indicator that we are going to evaluate is if the technology that is integrated in the classroom is used for drill and practice type activities for the learners. You can tick the boxes as to what is your perception of the stated indicator on the scale of 4, 3, 2, 1. Next that we're going to evaluate is if using technology helps students understand the lessons better or retain new concepts because they are engaged in many learning tasks. You can tick the boxes on this indicator on the scale of 4, 3, 2, 1. Lastly, we're going to evaluate if the use of technology in the classroom is relevant to the purpose and students' needs, whether it can address diversity in learning styles of learners or identify students' needs based on real-time feedback. Again, you can rate this indicator on the scale of 4, 3, 2, 1. Through this evaluation tool, we will be able to measure the effectiveness of integration of technology in the classroom or in the school. So that is all for our report. Thank you very much and God bless.